If you have this, I'm not sure if you know that the tip can get broken. I dropped it exactly on the tip. So yes, if you're not aware, this can be replaced. These are the original Apple Pencil tips. It comes like this, very nice. 4 of them. You just take one out. Very nice. And screw it back. That's it. Of course, I got lucky because when it fell, only the tip got broken. There is only a small crack here, if you can see, but it's not that bad because it works. I was thinking it's not important to create such video, but why not? Maybe you do not know that the tips come separate and you can remove them. It's very easy, you just unscrew this, the old one, put the new one back, and that's it. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.